Guys, welcome back to Osteo Fitness Collective. The following video is going to demonstrate the best stretching exercises for the ankle. This is to regain flexibility and movement. The first stretch is a seated calf stretch. With this particular exercise, you want to keep the leg straight and bring the foot up towards you, holding about 10 to 15 seconds and 3 times on each side. The second exercise is a standing calf stretch. Lifting the foot upwards, you want to lean your body into the wall. Again, holding between 10 to 15 seconds and repeating 3 times on each side. This particular stretch is engaging the outer muscles of the ankle. What we want to do here is bring the foot down and slightly inwards. Again, holding this between 10 to 15 seconds and repeating 3 times. The next one is for your tibialis anterior muscle. This is the muscle over the shin bone. What we're going to do for this one is just bring the foot directly down towards the floor, holding between 10 to 15 seconds. This is a slight different variation. You can try it standing if it's a little bit more comfortable, tucking the foot behind the other foot and leaning the body forward. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. For more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also follow the link below to our website.